Gaza's health ministry, which is controlled by Hamas, says an Israeli strike has killed at least 28 and injured more than 100 others in Jabaliya in the north. The strike hit a school that was converted to a shelter for the displaced. The Israeli military said it targeted a command center run by Hamas and Islamic Jihad inside that school. And more than a year into the war between Israel and Hamas, aid agencies are warning that Gaza is still facing a high risk of famine, with more than 1.8 million experiencing extreme hunger.
Khan Yunis in southern Gaza was home to more than 200,000 people before the start of the war. Now the city is in ruins, its infrastructure destroyed, its population displaced and lacking essential supplies. This girl is severely malnourished. Her mother fears the worst.
When I look at her, I think I might lose her because there is no medical care. We've been through it all. I just hope God will heal her.
The Azab family, with 5 young children, have been displaced 3 times and have now decided to return to what remains of their home in Khan Yunis.
My biggest fear is when my child says, "I'm hungry," and there's no food. I have a baby too, and I don't even have diapers for him. It's pure suffering. Winter is coming, and I don't know how I'll manage.
The family rely on meals from a community kitchen supported by the UN's World Food Programme. Officials say not enough supplies are getting through.
Nearly 2 million people in Gaza still face the risk of famine, and that risk will persist unless all border crossings remain open and aid continues to reach those in need.
Before the war, 500 trucks a day brought food into Gaza. But in the north, Israel cut off aid when it launched its current offensive.
We've been under siege for days now. Our living situation is very bad. There are no necessities of life, no vegetables, not even canned goods. It's a tragic situation.
Israel says it has now allowed dozens of aid trucks in, since being told by the US to improve the humanitarian situation in Gaza or risk having military assistance cut off.